Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the official notification from MP state. The notification had been released earlier, and few candidates would be able to register for the counseling. So it has been after the lockdown, it has been released once again. So the remaining candidates who couldn't register in the first notification can register now, and the date will be open from 19th of April, and you have until 22nd of April. So you can do the registration. You have duration of 4 days, and then after registration after you do the registration, meanwhile the publication of vacancies means seat matrix will be published on 20th of April. Okay, and then you have they have provided invitation for of objection against the vacancies. Okay, if you have any kind of objection regarding the vacancies available in MP state for PG courses, you have time to raise your objection from 20 to 21 April. The disposal of objection will be happening by 22nd of April, and final publication of the vacancies will be done on 23rd of April. Now coming to the merit list of registered candidates. By 22nd, all the candidates would have registered for the registration, and on 23rd, without any gap, they will be releasing the merit list. And then the most important part of the choice filling, that is choice filling and choice logging for the first round. It will be happening between 24 to 27, so we have 4 days of time. Okay, and then after the choice filling is done, the first round seat allotment will be done on 3rd of May, and online reporting admission to the allotted candidates will be happening through online mode, because we are in the middle of COVID-19 pandemic. So the reporting process will be happening between 4th of May, and it will go on until 12th of May. So I have 9 days to do the reporting process, and all the documents, relevant documents you need to upload on the website. You will be guided accordingly. Willingness for upgradation in the second round by admitted candidates through candidates login. If you are willing to upgrade your allotted seat, so you need to show your willingness by 4th of April, up to 2 days prior to the date of commencement of second round counseling. Online resignation cancellation through candidates login. If you want to cancel the seat allocated to you, you can do on 4th April 2020, up to 2 days prior to the date of, starting from 4th of May, 4th of May 2020, and you can do until 2 days before the date of commencement of second round of counseling. Okay, now we will see quickly the number of government and private colleges in Maharashtra, MP. So Madhya Pradesh is open state, but candidates from other states can only take participation in the counseling starting from mop-up round. But for that, you need to do the registration now. The registration won't be happening in the mop-up round. The registration has to be done in that given duration, starting from 19, and 4 days of duration is there for online registration, and other people from other states can take part in the mop-up round. So the seats remaining until after second round, all the seats you are will be available for your counseling, right? So we have 6 government medical college where PG courses, degree courses are there in Madhya Pradesh, and 6 private medical college: People's College of Medical Science Bhopal, LN Medical College Bhopal, Chirayu Medical College Bhopal, Index Medical College Indore, Sri Aurobindo Institute of Medical Science Indore, and the last one is RD Gardi Medical College Ujjain. And we have dental colleges also, 12 dental colleges. You can see this list. Last point I need to update here: the average fee for private colleges is 10 to 11 lakhs per annum. So this is pretty much everything I wanted to share in this video. If you have any doubt related to this notification, you can call us. The number is given in the description. And like the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button so that you can get upcoming notification for the state and other rounds. Okay, so until then, until next video, I will say thanks for watching and goodbye. Take care.